Hello guys, myself Rituja Nirvan and welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Rituja Ki Pathshala. So guys, here we are with our journey towards the data science and AI, that is data science and artificial intelligence, and in that we are learning the SQL Server, which is very important software for any of the field you are dreaming of. Okay, now in the today's lecture guys, we are going to see the what are the joins, and very hot and most important topic in the SQL Server, that what are the joins, why we use joins, what are the different types of joins, and what are the usage of it, and all these things we are going to see in today's lecture. Okay, now guys, I would like to tell you one thing, that if you've not seen any of the basics regarding the SQL, so please go to my channel and then go to the playlist, that is SQL Server Management Studio. There you will get each and every video regarding the SQL Server. It's very important guys, before learning the joins you should know the basic of SQL Server, that is SQL Server Management Studio. So for that, go to my channel, go to my playlist, there you will get each and every video regarding this. Up till now whatever I have covered. In the today's lecture we are going to see the what are the joins, what are the types of joins, and all this. Okay, now without wasting much more time, let's have a quick look towards it. Okay, and guys, I would like to tell you one thing again, it will be little bit a theoretical kind of lecture, so please stay up till end, because you will get at the end of the lecture you will get to know what are the joins and all this. Okay, in a very simple way. So I would like to tell you first question, that what are joins? Question mark. What are joins? So what are joins? Whenever there is a table, just like as you can see on my screen, that is SQL Server is open. Now there, if let's say whenever there are these two kind of tables, let's say for explanation I am telling you this. This is table A and this is table B. Whenever these are the two tables and we want the data of a table A, that is F name and gender, and from table B we want L name and city. So in this, so we want this or 4 columns from these two different tables. Okay, that is table A and table B. In this case, we are going to use the joins. Whenever we are using the joins, at that time, these two tables get joined with each other, and they will give you the combined data regarding it. Okay, so this is it. So these are the joins, and why we use joins, this is the main reason behind that. Whenever you want the data from the two different tables which are not related to each other, at that time we join the two different tables, and after that we are able to have the access and of the output, means combined output from the two different tables. Okay, so this is the one thing why we use joins, and what means that is what are the joins. Now why we use joins? Because whenever we need there is a requirement of the combined answer, when you combine columns from two different tables or two different data sets having their original requirement in different way, at that time we use joins. Okay, now the third question, what are the types of joins? So you can see on my screen, inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, then cross join, self join. Okay, and this is some explanatory part. Okay, so these are the 3, 4, 5, 6 types of joins in front of you. There are many types of join, but the most important joins is this one: inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, and cross join and self join. Okay, now as you can see in the diagrammatical way, I am have mentioned here the inner join. Now see, let's understand this very easily and very quickly. This is the table A and this is the table B. Okay, in your SQL Server, like see, this is a table and this is a table B. As we have executed this query, select star from A, so we have got this table, and select star from B, we got this table. Again I am executing in front of you. See, after selecting this query, I am getting this two table. For understanding, I have created these two tables for you. Okay, so if these two tables are there. Okay, so let's go to the diagram. This is table A and this is table B. So whenever we are doing the inner join, what is the syntax, how we are going to use that, we are going to see in the further lecture. But for now, let's understand why we use inner join. So whenever there are the two tables, table A and table B, at that time when we want the data, common data from the table A and table B, and we don't want the whole data from table A and table B, we only need the common data from the table A and table B, at that time we are using the inner join. It's just like intersection, as you can see on the screen. So this is a very simple way. This is the table A having some columns and features with it, data with it, and this is table B having some columns with it. So whenever we want the common data from these two combined tables, at that time we are using the inner join. Now let's move towards the left join. Whenever there is a two tables, that is table A and table B, and we only want the whole data from the left table. That is, as you can see on the left side, this table is on the left side and this is on the right side. So whenever we want all the data from the left table, that is, at that time we are going to use the left join. Now it's completely reverse of that is the right join. Whenever there is a two tables and on the right side whatever the data is present in the right side table, if we want that data, at that time we are going to use right join. Now full outer join is whenever there is a table A and table B and we want all the data, all common data, all uncommon data, all null values, everything. At that time we are going to use full outer join. Now cross join. What is cross join? How exactly how it's working? I am going to I'm going to show you in just 1 second. See, first of all, see this diagram. 1, 2, 3 this is table A and 1, 2, 3 this is table B. Whenever these, can you see orange line table 1? This orange line, and then again this orange line is going here, and again this orange line is going here. What exactly this is saying, trying to say us? Let's have a look here. So see, if I am having a table having car model, if I am having another table having color name. Now if I applied on these two tables cross join, then what will be my output? As you can see the name of the car model, that is Camry. Camry is combined with black. Then Corolla is combined with again black, and Prius is again combined with black. Okay, so these three car models are combined with single color. This is the cross join. This they want to tell us that this one will be combined with 1 itself, with 2 and with 3. Then 2 will combine with 1, then 2 itself, and then 3. And 3 will combine with 1, then 2 and 3. So it's exactly telling us this, that Camry will be combining with black, Camry, Corolla and Prius. 1, 2, 3 will become, these all three will be combined with same black color name. Then Corolla will be combined with again, see, Camry, Corolla, Prius, black. Then again Camry, Corolla, Prius, red. And then Camry, Corolla, Prius, silver. As you can see, these three combinations have combined with each one of these color separately, individually. Camry with black, Corolla with black and Prius with black. Then again Camry with red, Corolla with red and Prius with red. Then again then again Camry with silver, Corolla with silver and Prius with silver. So in this way, this one is combining with 1. See the orange line very carefully. Then 1 is combining with 2 and then 1 is combining with 3. Okay, in single way, as you can see. So see this. This is 1. Camry is combining with 1, that is black. See. Then Camry 1 is combining with 2, that is red. As you can see, yes. Then 3, that is Prius, is combining with 1 is combining with 3 again. So see, Camry combining with silver, that way. Okay. Now this is the cross join. This is a very quick review I am telling to you, and we are going to see it in very detail in the practical manner. Okay. Now the last join is the self join. Whenever the table combines with itself and gives us the combined output, at that time it is called as self join. Now how it is used, exactly how we are going to implement it, we are going to see in the further lecture, guys. So for today's lecture, this is it. That is the types of join, what are the types of join, why we use join, okay, and all this. So guys, in the coming lecture we are going to see the implementation of each of the join in a very detailed manner. So guys, thank you so much guys for your very precious time, and have a nice day ahead.